Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create Phantom wallet. For that, make sure you get the application. Now you'll be led to this kind of page. There you need to simply agree on this terms of service and tap on create a new wallet. Now you can simply skip this step, or either you can add your Face ID. For this video, I will go for next. Now a secret recovery phrase will be provided. Make sure to copy it somewhere or write it down in a piece of paper. After you are done copying it, you can simply tap on OK. I saved it somewhere. Now this kind of box will pop up. Without the secret recovery phrase, you will not be able to access your key or any assets associated with it. Now simply tap on yes. Now you can simply tap on get started. And now you can see that your Phantom wallet has been created. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.